Alright YouTube, so I got a little ahead of myself again. Got all my new parts and my POR in. So I'm going to go ahead and sand down the gas tank, prep it, or sand down the gas tank in preparation to prep it. Looks like it's going to rain, so I'm probably not going to paint it today. I just want to get it sanded, get it back in the garage, and then I'll work on the engine a little more. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, so finally had a day where it's beautiful out and I have some time and I'm going to tackle the gas tank. I'm going to go ahead and do all the steps of the POR. So the first step, I sanded it down a few days ago. You guys probably just watched that, but just mixed my cleaner degreaser. It's 10 parts per water per 1 part degreaser into an old cleaning bottle, and we're going to rinse the gas tank down and apply it and then let it sit and rinse off. So stand by. Guys, so I went ahead and degreased the can. Now I'm in the process of doing the metal prep. It says to keep the surfaces wet for 30 minutes, so that's what we'll do. Alright, so while I was starting to do the prep work, I could see what I thought was just a pre-coated tank. It turns out it's just caked on mud, so I got my flexible scraper here, hoping I can make some quick work of this, so let's see what happens. Okay, so we sanded down the tank, grinded it, and this is my boy. So now it's ready for the metal prep part 2, and we're going to take care of that, and as soon as it's dry, we'll get going on this POR. Alright. We just wait 10-20 minutes, keeping it wet, and rinse it off. And once it's bone dry, we'll start applying the paint. Last but not least, it's time for the POR. Let's get going. Here's the finished product. I'm quite happy with how it's come out. I'm gonna let it dry, and then maybe tonight I'll put it on, but no guarantees. But yeah, I think it came out pretty good. We'll let her dry. Thanks for watching.